This is Distress Collage Medium by Ranger. It is in a bottle with a really fine tip. You can also find the same adhesive in a tub that you can apply with a brush. I use it regularly on my projects. I like that it has a really nice strong hold, and I also love that it dries completely matte and completely clear. So if by chance I add a little bit too much glue to my project and I have a little bit squish out, it dries matte and clear and you don't actually see that there is glue there. The fine tip is perfect for getting all the detailed areas on my die cuts, and I like the fact that the glue is nice and thick and I don't have to worry about it oozing or using too much. It lasts a very long time because you don't need to use a ton of glue when you're gluing your projects together. I've been using it for several years now, and I've never been disappointed with the hold that I get from this glue. I've never had anything fall apart, which I absolutely love. There's nothing more frustrating than creating a project and having your adhesive fail you. And a little tip, I always have mine sitting with the point down in a little cup, so it's always ready to go. I absolutely love this glue, highly recommend it. I won't stop using it.